Okay, hey guys, so Cam's drinking his water, and we're back making more slime. So, Cam, today do you want to make a good slime? Since last time we made a very ugly slime. Wait, hold on. Yeah, this is your slime, right?
No.
Okay, take it out of the bowl. That's his slime. This is mine. And my hands are still dyed.
That's a lot of slime that I just made like 5,000 times. No, I'm leaving it. Oh, where do I put it?
Cam, do you want your next slime to be black?
No. I want it to be Thunderman style. No.
There.
Bro, put it in my mouth.
Okay, so now,
Sadie, why don't you take it out?
okay, I'm making a white slime today.
Ooh, good idea.
Come on. I'm trying to get all of the extra slime out. Yeah, Cam, I see you. See you, Cam. Guys, in the comments, tell Cam to stop.
What do we put in there? What do we put in there? Sadie!
Your butt. Go ahead and sit in it. Okay. Time for white.
Okay, what do we put in here? Give me this.
No, we're using white today.
Oh!
Put it in. Back. Cameron,
I'm putting it in.
Wait.
Can you move this?
Do you want help?
No! I am a grown man.
You're 8.
Sadie, you knocked the glitter. No!
No, yeah. That's all you want? That's all.
Oh, no. I didn't know we put the...
Okay, that's enough. Is that enough in your bowl?
Yep. Nope. Sadie, that's too much.
No, it isn't. Okay, done. I don't care if there's anything in my... Okay, guys. Time to make a pretty slime.
Okay. Ooh, what about this?
You can make that. I'm making a dot of that. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. This is gonna be pretty light blue.
This is light blue.
Yeah, but look at mine. Kim, look at mine.
That is way too much. It's fine. It came out like that, so...
Kim, look. Look at mine. That's light blue.
You're light blue.
My last name's Blue.
Scoop it up. Where's my twirly thing?
Up there.
Where? There it is. See, that flowers, smell them.
I don't think they can smell.
Well, everybody can smell.
I can't. I don't. Ah!
And we lived happily ever after.
My toe. My toe. What?
My principal Brad.
My toe. No, but that happened in real life, right, Cam?
No, yeah.
Yeah, we have a Principal Bradford at our school.
What? Who?
Remember Principal Bradford? He's new.
Oh, come on.
You must have gone to a different school then.
Comment down below which school you don't go to.
You
If
do
you go to
go.
Plymouth, get out of this video. Go. Leave. No one likes Plymouth.
Absolutely nobody. Like, who does?
Except Cal, my brother. He always says he likes Plymouth, but I said, no, we live in Plymouth, but that doesn't mean we like Plymouth. And then he kept saying I like Plymouth, and I said get out, and he went in the garage. I forced him to. I said I'll give him $1,000.
Did you?
Nope. I told him to go in there for an hour.
Did he?
Yep.
Okay, I don't even care anymore, guys. Why'd you use the whole entire thing?
And I was like, rest. This is like the last time we're making.
This is only our third slime.
Yeah, how much are we making?
5.
What?
You wanted to make a trillion.
Hey Sadie, have you ever heard of a joke?
Yeah, I have. And you said you're not joking. Hey guys, how do you like my new hand? Cameron,
Not my fault.
why do you have to be so clumsy?
Well, not my fault.
Everything's your fault.
How dare you?
Oh, I dare.
I'll take a dash of this too blue. The too. Yeah, because it tooted.
You tooted? Okay, bye.
No, what? She's going. So. Definitely didn't say anything mean about you.
Guys, tell me the truth. Did he say something bad about me? Oh, by the way, I'm gonna rewatch the video cam.
Saturday Billy don't do math.
Yeah, his name is Billy.
My name is Aunt Billy.
Your
Does
name
this
is
make
Uncle
it-
Billy.
What makes it like
Not sticky.
no? What makes it a little bit sticky?
Glue.
Oh, that
Do you want it to be sticky?
a little.
Then use the white glue. It's down there.
Why?
Because I put it there. It's under the table. Only put a drop if you want it to be a little bit sticky. Too much.
Quiet. I then.
No, because that was too much.
This is my last slime that I'm gonna make.
Okay.
But my mom does not like slime.
You can just live here for the rest of your life.
Nope. Never gonna happen. Not even one single bit.
You don't even want to spend the night?
Yeah, but never live with you.
What about for a week? You wouldn't have to see your brothers.
Well, I would like them better than you.
Oh, really, Cam?
Yeah, my siblings. What happened to your hair?
Oh, I don't know, but it's going in your hair.
Stop. Not my precious hair.
I'm more precious than your hair.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Yeah, you heard me.
Yeah, and you're about to feel this.
Stop. That wasn't on my face.
Yeah.
Nope. It's just chocolate. Is that chocolate?
No, that's dye.
Dang it.
That's paint. Your mom's gonna kill you.
I'm gonna kill you. Shut up.
No, that's actually blue dye.
Blue dye.
I thought it was black. This camera's not good. You're not good. At least I actually teach you how to do stuff, and your brothers are just mean.
Peace.